In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move frame by frame in Clipchamp. 5 minutes. First, open your web browser and head over to clipchamp.com. If you're not already signed in, look for the sign in button and click it. On the sign in screen, choose Continue with Microsoft, then select your Microsoft account to proceed. After a moment, you'll land on the Clipchamp homepage where we can start a new editing session. From the homepage, click Create a New Video. This opens the editor workspace. Before we can navigate frame by frame, we need a clip on the timeline, so let's bring one in. Click Import Media, then choose the video file you want to use from your computer. When it appears in your media library, drag and drop it straight onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now click once on your video clip in the timeline to make sure it's selected. This will reveal controls in the inspector panel on the right side of the editor. Find the speed section there. By default, it's set to 1.0, which is normal playback. To enable precise frame-by-frame movement, lower the speed all the way down to 0.1. You can do this by dragging the slider or typing in the value depending on what you see. With the speed reduced, your timeline becomes much easier to navigate precisely. Place the playhead where you want to start, then slowly drag it along the clip. Because the clip is running at 1/10 speed, the playhead will move through your footage in tiny increments, letting you line up edits at exact frames. Press play if you want to preview at super slow speed, then pause and fine-tune by nudging the playhead. This approach is especially useful for pinpointing cut points, syncing to a moment, or checking a transition. A quick note about what's happening. Changing the speed like this affects how the clip plays inside the editor, which is perfect for precision work. It doesn't permanently change your original file. If you plan to export at normal speed later, remember to return the speed setting to 1.0 once you've found your exact frame and made your edit, so your final video plays back as expected. That's it. You went to Clipchamp, signed in with Microsoft, created a new video, imported your media, added it to the timeline, selected the clip, opened the speed control, lowered it to 0.1, and now you can move frame by frame with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy editing.